Hello everyone. I will straightforward start with a brief introduction of the business. So YugasaBot is a conversational AI SaaS platform to create omni-channel chatbots and virtual assistants for businesses. It's a B2B product. Revenue model is one-time integration cost plus a license retainer. We have got 20 plus installations done who are using our bot at scale. Customers of YugasaBot include Schneider Electric India from the e-commerce domain, BPTP, real estate, PSB Academy of Singapore, education, CardSay, finance domain, DocGenie, health domain, BYST, social service, and many other installations in different domains. So why are we building this business and why now? We have core expertise and understanding of AI and machine learning. One of the co-founders of Yugasa, that is myself, have done masters in machine learning from BITS Pilani, and SaaS is exponentially scalable business model. Currently, 64% of the consumer base is Generation Next, which includes millennials and Generation Z. This generation and a consumer set is digital, very impatient, needs zero wait time. They want to remain in contact with the brands throughout their consumer journey, and they live on messaging. So now is the high time that businesses automate their communication with these consumers. There is a tremendous opportunity in this space, and we are one of the few early entrants in this domain and are already catering to customers at scale. Why are we the best team to do this is because of many reasons. We are two co-founders, myself Vivek Mittal and the other co-founder is Ashish Mittal. The product which we have developed and are developing is a conversational AI product, and I am myself masters in software systems with AI specialization from BITS Pilani, as I mentioned earlier also. I have a total industry experience of more than 18 years in which I have developed products of high complexity at scale. I come from a core technical background, having worked in different geographies of the world. My other co-founder, Ashish, who is traveling right now while I'm making this video. So he comes from sales and operations management background. After BTech, he has done his PGDBA and has an extensive experience of 19 years in sales, building teams, cross-border project deliveries, and driving digital and media presence for the company. We have been running Yugasa services business for around 7 years now, and the revenue generated from this business is actually bootstrapping and funding YugasaBot, the product, which we actually started in 2020. In these 7 years of Yugasa, we have learned how to produce more with less, how to control burn, how to sell, how to produce satisfied customers, and how to do prudent use of money. So we think we are one of the best teams to execute this at this point of time. And how big can this become? Really big. SaaS businesses have tremendous exponential growth. The major reason for this is the revenue model, which is recurring license based. The market for virtual assistants and chatbots is another huge thing. Businesses will completely switch on virtual assistants for their lead generation and customer support in near future. Also, e-commerce and support chatbots are going to replace a big chunk of mobile apps also going forward. According to a study, with almost 5 billion users on newer messaging channels, 80% of businesses are overhauling their communication strategies. And with this, even if we consider a very conservative number of some close to 9,000 bots installations over a period of 5 years, and an average monthly license fee of rupees 10,000 per bot, which by the way is way much lesser than a human deployed for the same work, then the revenue from the fifth year onwards is a minimum of 110 crore rupees, which is huge. So this is how big it can become. So monetization strategy, well, we are already generating revenue. So SaaS is a very rewarding model for any business actually. We are already generating revenue in our first year of going live. In the last financial year, which is 21-22, we have generated a revenue of rupees 11 lakhs from YugasaBot installations. Our revenue model includes one-time integration cost plus a license retainer. The recurring income in this model is bound to increase exponentially over the period of time. Also, particularly in a bot installation, customer loyalty is very high. We are also seeing a lot of requests for additional features from existing customers. Why would big players not do it? Well, big players have a different model altogether. Big players like Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, Microsoft are supporting the whole ecosystem at a different level. They are enabling conversational AI research. Developing a chatbot for business specific needs requires a lot of customizations, which big players never enter into. Although there are other funded companies in this domain who are doing conversational AI customized solutions, but the market is huge and growing at a very high speed, as I mentioned earlier. Still, hundreds of more players have a huge scope of acquiring a big chunk in this growing market. Moreover, our key differentiator from the existing players is on the distribution and adoption channel, which we are creating with a amount of automation which we are putting in our platform. Thank you very much.